Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily. My favorite makeup today is this. This is the Kat Von D Everlasting Glimmerveil in the shade Starflyer. That's what I'm wearing right now. It is this beautiful, like shimmery lilac-y purple shade. It's just gorgeous. I'm crazy about this color. This is limited edition though, so if you want to pick this one up, you need to go pick this up in Sephora. I have seen it in stores. You can also pick it up online. So I guess eventually they're gonna not have this color anymore. And this is one of my favorites, so I'm probably gonna end up buying it back up because I love these, and I would be really sad if they stopped making this color anymore. It's awesome. So on to the video. And today's video is, why did I buy this? Specifically regarding this. This is the Sephora Shimmer Stick in Holographic Blue. This was an app-only exclusive, and for some reason I saw it and said to myself, oh, I've definitely got to pick that up. And this is what it looks like. This costs $8. You're getting 0.22 ounces of product. In comparison, the Milk Makeup Holographic Stick is 0.25 ounces of product, and it retails for $14. So you're definitely getting a deal, I guess, if you need a stick highlighter in a shimmery color. So I picked this up the other day, and I had almost forgotten that I had picked it up because it was not the only thing in the package. It was at the very bottom, and I thought it was some sort of weird sample. And then I was reminded, oh yeah, I want to pick up one of those shimmer sticks because the Sephora brand, like, knockoff of stuff is usually pretty good. It's not usually as good perhaps as the original product that it's sort of, you know, mimicking, but they're never bad. So I figured I would take a look at it. This thing is much tinier than, for example, I thought it was going to be. It's about a quarter size on the bottom, I would say. I guess for $8, you're gonna get what you pay for. So let's go do a swatch. I'm gonna put that on the back of my hand. This is really a very strange product, to be honest. So right now I'm holding this up. I think on camera, it's definitely looking blue. However, if I turn this away and look at it directly, it is only pink. I only see the color pink, but if I take it out of the range of my lighting, it shifts back to blue. That's fascinating. This is like the Princess Aurora of weird highlighter sticks. That's so bizarre. It's actually quite lovely on the skin. It glided on very easily. I just did an extra swatch because I was trying to see, had I made a mistake in the shade that I purchased? Because this definitely says holographic blue on the bottom, but all I see is pink when I look at it. So I'm gonna try to blend this a little and see how that looks. So that's with a nice blend. It's quite pretty, actually. So now we're gonna try to put this on my face. I am wearing my Dr. Jart Beauty Balm right now with SPF 45 because I'm about to go out for a walk after this, and I don't want to get a sunburn if I can help it. So I'm not positive this is gonna go on very easily, but I didn't put powder here so that it would be able to glide on as easily as it's going to. So let's give this a try. Oh, well, all right. Still looks only pink to me on my face, even though the stick itself is definitely blue. All I see is the pink. I'm not really getting a blue cast to it at all. Let's try the other side and see how that goes. Now, this isn't the smoothest highlighter stick in the world. I would definitely say the Fenty Beauty matchsticks blend a lot easier than that. I don't feel like they're sort of like scraping across the top of your face. I mean, I do think the color's very pretty, but all I'm seeing is the pink. I don't know if I'm getting like a holographic blue to this at all. I'm not mad at it. It's definitely very exciting looking, and it's not what I expected it to look like on my face at all. I'm fascinated by the fact that this does not look blue to me. It just looks pink, but it's definitely a blue stick, and when I take it out of lighting, I can sort of get it to turn blue on me. Now I'm wondering what the other one would look like, because I think the other holographic stick is pink. Does that mean the pink one will actually turn you blue? Because then I'd have to pick one up. All right, I'm gonna try a little of this on my shoulder to see if it even picks up. I find a lot of the time with these stick highlighters, I can never even see it. So when I try to make it into like a body highlighter, because it's like, oh yeah, I'll just use it on my skin, it'll look great. I can never see it. Oh, actually that looks quite pretty. Okay, that's pretty. It doesn't feel like it's gonna come off on all of my clothes. It just, you know, it feels like it kind of sets into the skin pretty quickly. So that's not bad. You know what, for $8, I'm not mad at this. I'm actually quite curious. I will probably throw this into my basket, get the other one to try that one out, because I'm really curious as to what color that one looks like, because this one definitely doesn't look blue, but it is a very beautiful pink, and the price can't be beat. So the moral of the story is that app-only access on the Sephora app occasionally tricks me into buying things I didn't even know I needed. I don't need this, but you know what? I actually do enjoy it. It does look pretty nice on the skin. It looks nice on my actual shoulders. I may pick up the other color because I'm curious to what this looks like. The holographic blue for me though, I don't see blue, I pretty much just see pink. So, you know, I'm curious to see if anybody else picked this up and what it looks like to you. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you're enjoying the content on this channel, please subscribe. If you've got a suggestion for a video you'd like to see me do, please put that in the comments down below. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and I will see you all soon. Bye!